Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic different management styles. This topic would cover the different leadership styles such as authoritarian, democratic and laissez-faire. It would discuss the impact of leadership styles on employee motivation and performance. It would also discuss the importance of situational leadership. Authoritarian leadership. Authoritarian leadership description. In this style, leaders make decisions unilaterally and expect subordinates to follow instructions without much input. Impact on motivation and performance. Pros: quick decision making, clear direction. Cons: low employee morale, potential for resistance, limited creativity. Democratic leadership. Description: leaders involve employees in decision making processes, encouraging collaboration and participation. Impact on motivations and performance. Pros: high employee engagement, increased creativity, shared responsibility. Cons: decision making may take longer, potential for conflict. Laissez-faire leadership. Description: leaders take a hands off approach, allowing employees significant freedom in decision making. Impact on motivation and performance. Pros: encourages autonomy, fosters creativity. Cons: lack of guidance may lead to confusion. Potential for decreased accountability. Situational leadership. Description: recognize that the most effective leadership style depends on the situation and the individuals involved. Impact on motivation and performance. Pros: flexibility to adopt leadership style, better alignment with specific needs. Cons: requires a deep understanding of situations and individuals, potential of inconsistency. Impact on employee motivation and performance. Motivation: authoritarian leadership may motivate through fear or external rewards. Democratic leadership can motivate through participation and a sense of belonging. Laissez-faire leadership relies on intrinsic motivation and self direction. Performance: authoritarian leaderships may lead to compliance but may hinder creativity. Democratic leadership often boosts performance through collaboration and shared responsibility. Laissez-faire leaderships may enhance performance in self-motivated and skilled individuals but may lead to lack of direction. Importance of situational leadership. Importance of situational leadership: recognize that a one-size fits all approach may not be effective. Allows leaders to adopt their style based on the task, the team maturity, and the context. Enhance leaders' flexibility and responsiveness. Thank you. Different management styles, a comprehensive overview. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.